Jagged!
What?
Shut up and look at your job.
I'm helping them with Diana.
Stop. Don't stop.
Like we ain't in these streets moving sensibly.
Right now, and I'm here for 7.
So I might see you more in here.
No, I was at the airport.
Okay.
This is my one day out in the public.
Okay, well.
That's why it's rocking the beat.
Right.
That's why it's rocking the beat, yeah. Plus it's Valentine's.
That's right.
Yeah, see, I understand. Thank you, dude. They don't ever wear like boots, like cowboy boots.
Oh, you're thinking you guys stop talking. Oh, you're thinking you guys stop talking.
There you go. Jagged. Jagged.
What?
Shut up and look at your job.
No, we're talking about the look at the sky, stupid. Look at the sky.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm a part
Right,
of
okay, just shut up. I apologize. Hold on. I apologize. Hold on. Okay,
You
stop.
okay? I just want to know if that's part of Elon Musk. Being the spaceship that's fucking going in the sky right now.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
That's cool though.
I didn't mean to be a dick with you, but
Let them with a little
No. I'm helping them with Diana.
Stop. Don't distract them with what they're doing. That's cool though.
Yeah.
See what that is?
Yeah, I'm not
That's
distracted. Yeah, I know. But I don't know if it's from Elon Musk or not.
Dragon?
I don't know if that's from Elon Musk. Yeah, I heard you.
Then
But
stop.
I told him. I told him.
No, stop. Shut up. Let them do what they're doing.
I know. But I gotta go back to my spot. My spot's over here.
I don't give a fuck. Stay away from it. Right now. Stay away from it. Dragon, stay the fuck away from it, Dragon. Stay right there where you're at, Dragon.
She okay, Dragon? What happened?
She had a stroke. She had seizures. I'm at where I'm at.
Yeah, stay where the fuck you at.
And I don't know what else. Whatever. It is. And I just kind of think being with her heart situation.
Yeah.
I put your hand put your finger on my hand. You feel what I did to her heart?
Yeah.
You feel I was feeling it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the same one.
I don't care who you are. Man, woman, especially a woman, you're not gonna die on my watch.
Nope. Good job.
I don't care. Friend or not, or whatever gentlemen, manly men that you want to call me, I'm not letting a woman die on my watch.
No, you did good, Dragon.
I even called it before.
Oh, good man.
I'm not trying to brag or anything, but
Watch your back. Just
I know, that's all. See, you understand? I see even without looking at the thing behind me.
cool.
I can see the car and the color of the car behind my eye, behind my head. By looking at you, I can look at you, and I can see the car behind me.
Yeah.
I can see everything that's going on. Where when I move with a car around me.
Hey, come here.
With a car around me moving.
Yeah.
I can walk like I'm invisible, and like it almost look like it hit me, but it won't hit me, and I just keep walking, like it goes.
All right, take it easy, man. Stay cold.
Hey.